Oh, no! No!
Oh, you almost had him.
I'm never gonna defeat Zurg!
Sure you will, Rex. In fact, you're a better Buzz than I am.
But look at my little arms! I can't press the fire button and jump at the same time!
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Woody?
Huh?
Oh, hang on, cowboy. Woody, are you all right?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine, Buzz. Okay, here's your list of things to do while I'm gone. Batteries need to be changed. Toys at the bottom of the chest need to be rotated. Oh, and make sure everyone attends Mr. Spell's seminar on what to do if you or part of you is swallowed. Okay? Okay, good, okay.
Woody, you haven't found your hat yet, have you?
No! And Andy's leaving for cowboy camp any minute, and I can't find it anywhere.
Don't worry, Woody. In just a few hours, you'll be sitting around a campfire with Andy making delicious hot schmoes.
They're called s'mores, Buzz.
Right, of course. Has anyone found Woody's hat yet?
Keep looking, man! Dig deeper! Negatory! Still searching!
The lawn gnome next door says it's not in the yard, but he'll keep looking.
It's not in Molly's room. We've looked everywhere.
I found it!
You found my hat?
Your hat? No. The missus lost her earring. Oh, my little sweet potato.
Oh, you found it! Oh, it's so nice to have a big, strong spot around the house. Oh,
Oh, great. That's just great. This will be the first year I miss cowboy camp, all because of my stupid hat.
Woody, look under your boot.
Don't be silly. My hat is not under my boot.
Would you just look?
You see? No hat. Just the word Andy.
Uh-huh. And the boy who wrote that would take you to camp with or without your hat.
I'm sorry, Bo. It's just that I've been looking forward to this all year. It's my one time with just me and Andy.
You're cute when you care.
Oh, not in front of Buzz.
Let him look.
Miss Pete! Miss Pete! Ah! Oh!
Hey, kids, this is Al from Al's Toy Barn, and I'm sitting on
Wow!
some deals here. Ow, I think I'm feeling a deal hatching right now. Whoa, let's see what we got. We got votes for a buck, beanies for a buck. We
Rex,
got
turn it off! Someone's gonna hear!
Turn this off!
And that's cheap. Hurry up.
For crying out loud, it's this one.
Get off on highway.
I despise that chicken.
Fellas, okay. I got some good news and I got some bad news.
what news?
Good news is I found your hat, Woody.
My hat! Oh, Slink, thank you. Where'd you find it?
Well, that's the bad news.
Oh, it's Buster!
Hey, 9 Alert! Man your battle station!
Woody, hi, quick!
Ah! Okay, you found me, Buster, all right. Ooh. Hey, how did he do, Ham?
Looks like a new record.
Okay, boy. Sit. Reach for the sky. Gotcha! Oh, great job, boy. Who's gonna miss me while I'm gone, huh? Who's gonna miss me? Who's gonna miss me? Okay, have a good weekend, everybody. I'll see you Sunday night.
It's in my room.
Stick 'em up! I guess we'll work on that later. Hey, Woody, ready to go to cowboy camp?
Andy, honey, come on. 5 minutes and we're leaving.
5 minutes.